Hey there, fellow savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tasks to make your life easier. Today's video is all about how to pay your Amazon Prime Visa using a check. If you're someone who prefers the traditional route or just wants to avoid online payments, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to understand that the Amazon Prime Visa is issued by Chase, so we'll be working through their platform. Start by grabbing your card details and a computer or mobile device. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Head over to the Chase website or open their app, and enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up first. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts, or Credit Cards, section. Look for your Amazon Prime Visa card, it should be listed there. Now, find the Payments, or Make a Payment option. It's usually right on the dashboard. Click on that to proceed. Next, select the payment method. You'll see various options like debit, credit, or bank transfer, but we're focusing on checks. Choose Pay by Mail, or Check, as your method. The system will provide you with specific instructions, including the mailing address for Chase and any account numbers you need to reference on your check. Now, write your check carefully. Make it out to Chase, or as specified, include your Amazon Prime Visa account number in the memo line, and ensure the amount matches your balance. Double-check the due date to avoid any late fees. Payments by mail can take a few days to process. After mailing your check, go back to your account to confirm the payment has been recorded, or keep an eye on your statements. And that's it. You've successfully paid your Amazon Prime Visa using a check. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always keep a record of your mailed payments, like a receipt from the post office, just in case. If you run into any issues, Chase has great customer support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy guides. See you in the next video.